Did you know that if you bought $100 worth of Bitcoin in 2010, you'd be sitting on nearly 48 million today? That's right, folks. This is the Bitcoin phenomenon, an explosive growth that has taken the financial world by storm and left many in awe. Early adopters of this digital currency are enjoying returns beyond their wildest dreams. But what exactly is Bitcoin? Born from the mind of the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin made its debut in the financial realm a little over a decade ago. It's a type of digital currency, a cryptocurrency, which operates independently of any central bank. It's created, distributed, traded, and stored with the use of a decentralized ledger system, known as a blockchain. This groundbreaking innovation has not only disrupted traditional financial systems, but it has also created a new wave of wealth. In the world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has been and continues to be a game changer.
Brace yourselves, crypto enthusiasts. It's time to dive deep into the ever-evolving world of Bitcoin news and price predictions, where every dip is an opportunity and every surge is a celebration. Whether you're a seasoned hodler or a curious newcomer, we've got your boarding pass to the most exhilarating journey in the financial universe.
Now that we've delved into the past, let's bring ourselves back to the present. What's happening with Bitcoin today? Well, in the world of Bitcoin, there's never a dull moment. Recent news is abuzz with significant investments in Bitcoin. For instance, high-profile companies have been diversifying their financial portfolios by investing in this digital currency. This is a testament to the growing acceptance and validation of Bitcoin in the mainstream financial market. On the technological front, Bitcoin's underlying technology, the blockchain, continues to evolve. Innovators are tirelessly working on enhancing the scalability and transaction speed of the Bitcoin network. These developments promise a future where Bitcoin transactions are as fast and easy as buying a cup of coffee. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Regulatory changes around the world have also had a profound impact on Bitcoin. Some governments have embraced Bitcoin, introducing legislation to protect Bitcoin users and promote its use. Others, however, have been more cautious, imposing restrictions or outright bans. These regulatory changes can cause significant fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin, as they influence the level of trust and confidence users around the world have in the digital currency. Speaking of price, Bitcoin's value has been on a roller coaster ride. Its price is influenced by a myriad of factors, from the aforementioned investments and regulations to global economic trends and the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. It's an intricate dance of supply and demand, investor sentiment, and global economic factors. In the past few months alone, we've seen the price of Bitcoin reach new heights, only to experience sharp drops and then climb again. It's a volatile market, but one that also offers the potential for significant returns. As you can see, the world of Bitcoin is dynamic and ever-changing. Yes, it's a world of high stakes and high rewards, where the only constant is change. But isn't that what makes it so exciting?
The pioneering digital currency has revolutionized the financial landscape. Its decentralized nature offers security and allows for anonymous transactions. But what's happening in the world of Bitcoin right now? First up, let's take a look at some of the most intriguing Bitcoin news. From regulatory developments to technological advancements, the Bitcoin ecosystem is constantly evolving.
So, we've explored the past and present of Bitcoin, but what does the future hold for this digital currency? Well, let's dive right in. When it comes to price predictions, some experts believe we'll see Bitcoin's value skyrocket in the next decade, while others anticipate more moderate growth. The optimists argue that as more people and businesses adopt Bitcoin, the demand will increase, driving up the price. On the other hand, the moderates point out that while Bitcoin has potential, it's still a relatively new and volatile market. Moving on to technological advancements, Bitcoin's blockchain technology continues to evolve. There's a lot of chatter about the potential for smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Imagine buying a house with a click of a button. No middlemen, no complicated paperwork, just a simple, secure transaction. Moreover, there's the possibility of Bitcoin becoming more energy efficient. Currently, Bitcoin mining consumes a lot of energy, which isn't exactly eco-friendly. But many are hopeful that technological advancements could reduce the energy consumption, making Bitcoin a more sustainable option.
Haven't subscribed yet? Beat that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our community, where knowledge is power and the adventure is endless. Now let's shift our attention to Bitcoin price predictions. The volatility of Bitcoin is a topic of hot debate. Some believe it's a bubble waiting to burst, while others see it as a lucrative investment opportunity. Which prediction will become reality?
Now let's talk about potential regulatory changes. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Some countries might implement strict regulations, which could potentially impact Bitcoin's growth. However, others may embrace the innovation and create a supportive environment for Bitcoin. The regulatory landscape is a bit like a game of chess right now, with every move having significant implications. And let's not forget about the role of institutional investors. As more hedge funds and corporations jump on the Bitcoin bandwagon, the currency could become more mainstream and stable. However, this could also lead to increased market manipulation and volatility. Predicting the future of Bitcoin is no easy task, but one thing is clear: it's a space worth watching. As we wrap up our journey through the world of Bitcoin, there are a few key takeaways to remember. Firstly, Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a technological phenomenon that has revolutionized financial transactions on a global scale. Its decentralized nature and underlying blockchain technology have made it a game changer, challenging traditional banking systems and paving the way for a more transparent and inclusive financial future. Secondly, the current state of Bitcoin is a testament to its resilience. Despite the volatility, despite the naysayers, Bitcoin has proven its mettle time and again. It has weathered numerous storms and continues to thrive, demonstrating its potential as both a store of value and a medium of exchange. Thirdly, the future of Bitcoin is as exciting as it is unpredictable. With advancements in technology and increasing acceptance, Bitcoin's potential seems limitless. But remember, with great potential comes great uncertainty. The road ahead is filled with both unprecedented opportunities and formidable challenges. This brings us to our final point. Staying informed about Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market is crucial. The world of cryptocurrency is fast-paced and ever-changing. It requires constant learning, vigilance, and adaptability. So don't just passively observe. Dive in, learn, understand, and participate. Consider this as an invitation to engage with the future of finance. But as you step into this new world, always remember to do your own research. Make informed decisions. Understand the risks involved. Investing in Bitcoin, like any form of investment, should never be a leap of faith, but a calculated decision. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just a curious observer, the story of Bitcoin is one that continues to unfold. Stay tuned, stay informed, and who knows, perhaps you could be the next Bitcoin millionaire.
We kicked off with the latest price movements, riding the highs, navigating the lows, and deciphering the patterns that could shape your crypto journey. But it's not just about the charts. We delved into the heart of blockchain technology, unraveling its mysteries and exploring the trends that are reshaping the crypto landscape. Stay tuned, because ahead lies a treasure trove of insights, predictions, and updates that could impact your crypto portfolio. Don't blink, you might miss the next big thing. And that's a wrap, Crypto Crew. But before you go counting your Satoshis, here's a little parting gift, the fun fact of the day. Did you know that Satoshi Nakamoto's favorite dance move is the Bitcoinita? It's like the cha-cha, but with a decentralized twist. Now, before you click away, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride and drop your favorite crypto emoji in the comments. But hold on, the adventure doesn't end here. Click on this video thumbnail right here, because you never know if it's the secret door to the crypto Narnia. More laughs, more insights, and more crypto wisdom await you. Don't miss out. Click, watch, and let's keep riding the Bitcoin wave together.